If there was another war, would you enroll?
Wake, ake.
Ne.
Kao.
Kapa Kōrero.
We're cousins,
by the way.
It's first cousins. Don't push me. It's my turn.
I don't know anything about ANZAC.
Just guess.
You're a bit of a princess, that's why. Pātai tuatahi, what does ANZAC stand for?
ANZAC. ANZAC.
Maka pātai kia.
No!
ANZAC.
American. Australian, New Zealand.
Australia, New Zealand. Wait, ANZAC. Australia, New Zealand.
Australia, New Zealand, Army.
Australia, New Zealand, Army.
Company? Ne. How does the company?
Corps.
Yeah.
Corpse.
Yeah. ANZAC. Jeez, I thought I was in the money there.
What's the flower of Anzac Day?
Really?
Oh, the red poppy.
Poppy.
Slay.
Slay.
Poppy.
Poppy.
Te whero te tai.
Indigenous to which country? Oh, yeah.
Oh. What year?
It was World War I. I don't know this one, so don't look at me.
This is a wild guess.
Oh, World War I, ia koe tēnei, ki roto i te akomanga tikanga aiui.
Oh, nō reira. Te whakautu.
Tai hoai, whakaaro ana.
Was it in 19?
No, I'm thinking 1880.
I'm gonna say 1917.
Tātania.
I thought it was 1915.
That's way. Isn't that too early?
Too early. And 1880 is too early.
I timata te World War I i te tau tahi mano I warau tikau mā whā. Ki te tau tahi mano I warau. Tikau mā ono o tikau mā waru.
Tikau mā waru.
Tikau mā waru. Oh, anai te tahi pātai.
Yeah.
Did you have any tupuna that went to war? Oh, my koro would be mad at me because I don't know the answer to this.
Probably. Probably.
Bambi Utanga.
Yeah. What was his real name?
Tuaime Utanga. He was in the First War. Is that what Papa said?
Yeah.
Yeah, World War I.
I don't think I did. But my koro got up every morning for the dawn parade. Every ANZAC day.
Yeah.
He brought back a German flag, a Japanese flag, a samurai sword, and a Germany machete?
Yeah.
Or machine gun?
Yeah.
Machine gun.
So he's our great grandfather, eh?
I think so.
I had a kroua that went to the First World War. His name was Tahere Enoka Ngātai no Tauranga Moana, Ngāti Awa.
Have you ever been to the museum in Tāmaki? And they've got like a list of names of everyone who went to war, and you can literally go, and an activity you do when you go through kura is look for your last name, and then it shows all your whānau that went to war in World War 1, 2 and 3.
In 3.
Oh.
What's the whakatauki for ANZAC Day?
He aha te mea nui o te ao.
Oh my god.
I
We will remember them.
Kei wareware tātou.
Ka mauahara tonu tātou ki a rātou.
Kāre tēnei te mahara. Kāre tēnei te
Hei aha te
mahara.
whakatai ki e hoa.
Me maumahara tonu tātou.
Oh, bruh.
Me maumahara tonu tātou.
Hoi.
Ana, he tohu tērā i te iwi ka wareware. Haere he tau he wareware te kai.